The 5 ways to attract more money. In this video, we will discuss the 5 ways to attract more money that you should. Have you ever wondered why successful people like Gary Vaynerchuk, Tony Robbins, or even Bill Gates has a lot of money? Most of them came up from nothing, but there is something they understood that most people don't. Money is just the result, and in order to make more money, you have to increase your personal value and what you deliver to the market. Welcome to Joseph Leopard Finance, the channel where you can learn all about personal finance, investing, and wealth building. Do you want to learn how to make your money work for you? Then you're in the right place. I've spent years studying finance and I am here to share everything I've learned with you. So, if you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button for more types of videos like these and ring the notification bell so you won't miss one. Let's get right into the video. Attraction rule number 1. Create more value. Money is the byproduct of creating and delivering value to others. When you focus on providing value and solving problems for people, you will naturally attract money as a result. Instead of chasing after money, focus on honing your skills and developing your abilities to create things that people need and want. For example, if you're an entrepreneur, focus on developing a product or service that solves a real problem for your target customers. If you are an employee, focus on becoming an expert in your field and delivering exceptional results to your employer. When you focus on creating value, the money will follow as a natural consequence. Remember, the key is to prioritize creating value over making money. When you focus on delivering value, you will attract loyal customers, build a strong reputation, and ultimately achieve financial success. Attraction rule number 2. Live a balanced life. While money is undoubtedly an essential resource that we need to live our lives, it's crucial to understand that it isn't a guarantee of happiness. Many people believe that having more money will make them happier, but this isn't always the case. Studies have shown that while having enough money to meet our basic needs is essential for our well-being, beyond a certain point, more money doesn't necessarily make us happier. The reason for this is that happiness is subjective and depends on many factors beyond our financial situation. Our relationships, work, hobbies, and overall life satisfaction play a more significant role in determining our happiness than our bank account balance. Furthermore, the pursuit of wealth can become an obsession that leads to stress, anxiety, and even depression. Therefore, it's essential to prioritize your well-being and balance your pursuit of financial success with your mental and physical health. Money should be seen as a tool to enable you to live a fulfilling life rather than an end itself. By focusing on things that genuinely make us happy, we can achieve a greater sense of fulfillment and satisfaction in life, even without an abundance of wealth. But before we move on, please comment below if you can relate to the video, and if you find this video helpful and interesting. Please consider liking the video and share it to your loved ones and friends. Back to the video. Attraction rule number 3. Money needs to be used with a purpose. Money is not static, it needs to move to stay alive. If you hold on to your money too tightly, it will not grow, and you may end up losing it. This is why investing is such an important part of managing your money. Investing allows your money to move and grow, and it can also help protect you against inflation. In addition, money can become stagnant if not being used for a purpose. This is why it's important to have financial goals and a plan for how you will use your money. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a home, investing in your education, or starting a business, having a purpose for your money can help it moving and growing. Attraction rule number 4. Don't let your money outgrow you. This rule highlights the importance of financial responsibility and management. It's not enough to accumulate wealth, you need to know how to manage it properly. If you can't handle your money well, you'll end up losing it. This rule also emphasizes the need for individuals to learn how to live within their means. Living above your means can lead up to financial trouble and debt. It's also important to have a budget and stick to it, avoiding unnecessary expenses and saving for emergencies. Furthermore, this rule stresses the importance of financial education. By learning about finance and investing, individuals can make better decisions about their money and avoid making costly mistakes. Ultimately, financial success is not just about making money but about managing it well. Attraction rule number 5. Use money ethically. It is the action and decision of the individuals who handle money that determine whether ethical considerations are taken into account. For example, a person may choose to earn money through ethical means such as providing a valuable service or creating products that benefit society. Or, they may choose to earn money through unethical means such as fraud or exploitation. Similarly, a person may choose to invest their money in companies or industries that align with their ethical beliefs. Or, they may choose to invest in companies that engage in practices that they find objectionable. Ultimately, it is up to individuals to consider the ethical implications of their action when it comes to money. While money itself may not follow ethics, the way in which it is earned, spent, and invested can have a significant impact on society and the world around us. In conclusion, these 5 rules to attract more money offer valuable insights into the nature of money and its behavior. They highlight the importance of understanding money as a dynamic entity that is constantly moving and evolving. While money is a necessary tool for survival and can provide a sense of security and freedom, it is not the key to true happiness and fulfillment. Instead, these rules suggest that money should be viewed as a byproduct of hard work, smart decisions, and willingness to take calculated risks. The ability to handle and manage money responsibly is crucial in attracting more of it, but it is not equally important to recognize that money does not necessarily follow ethical principles. Moreover, these rules encourages us to cultivate a healthy relationship with money by keeping it in perspective and using it as means to achieve our goals and aspirations, rather than as an end itself. By understanding the behavior of money and the factors that influence its flow, we can make more informed decisions about how we earn, save, invest, and spend our money. Ultimately, these 5 rules offer valuable guidance for anyone seeking to navigate the complex world of finance and achieving financial success without sacrificing their values or sense of purpose. By adopting these principles and applying them to our financial lives, we can create a healthier, more sustainable relationship with money and use it as a tool to build a life we want. Thank you for watching Joseph Lepard Finance, your go-to channel for all things personal finance, investing, and wealth building. I hope you found value in today's video and that it inspires you to take action toward your financial goals. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like these. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Join our community by leaving a comment below and let us know what financial topics you'd like us to cover next. Remember, financial freedom is possible for anyone, and we're here to help you make it happen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.